Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix OpenClaw Slack Invalid Auth error. This error usually happens when your authentication token is incorrect or not linked to the correct Slack workspace. First, make sure you are in the correct Slack workspace. Open Slack and confirm you are logged in to the same workspace where OpenClaw is installed. This is important because tokens only work within their own workspace. Next, check your authentication token and make sure you're using the bot user OAuth token that starts with XOXB. If the token is missing or outdated, it will cause the invalid auth error. After that, open your browser, go to api.slack.com and click your app name. Go to OAuth and permissions, then scroll down and click Reinstall to Workspace. Follow the reinstallation prompts by clicking Allow. Once that is done, it will generate a fresh token and refresh the permissions. Now update OpenClaw. Remove any old or duplicate tokens from your OpenClaw configuration. Then reconnect OpenClaw using the newly generated XOXB token. Finally, try running your request again. In most cases, the error is fixed once the correct workspace and fresh token are used. If it still fails, double check that you are not using a token from a different workspace or an older installation. That's it. We just learned how to fix the OpenClaw Slack invalid auth error by verifying the correct workspace. We also used the proper bot token, reinstalled the app, and reconnected OpenClaw with the fresh token. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Stack tutorial video.